Hello, Assalamualaikum. How are you today? I hope you stay healthy, stay safe, and please stay at home. Before study, let's prepare your math book, pencil, and eraser. Today, we are learning about understanding and measuring volume. Please attention. The volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. I'm sorry, I'm speaking in Indonesian. Jadi, volume adalah isi atau besarnya suatu benda dalam suatu ruang. Do you understand about volume? And now, let's do together. Number 1. Which object has a greater volume? Greater, same with bigger. So, you choose gallon or bottle. Yes, of course. The gallon has a greater volume. Next, number 2. Which object has a greater volume? Yes, of course. The answer is watermelon. So, the watermelon has a greater volume. Continue, number 3. Which object has a greater volume? I think it's easy. Elephant or rabbit? Yes, the elephant has a greater volume. And the last, which object has a greater volume? Cupcake or cake? Yes, the answer is the cake has a greater volume. Okay, I think the material is very easy. And now, let's practice. Open your book, page number 279 until 281. Number 8, 9, and 10. If you any question, please ask to me. And I hope you can doing by yourself. Good luck. And don't forget, send your duty to me. Okay. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.